Welcome to the Infinix Infinix Hot 11s, and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first, let's just select the application and drag this app to another one, and now we can see here the new created home screen folder. If you want to add here one more app, you can make it by this way, or if you want to add more applications, just a couple of apps in just one time, tap here to plus icon, and after that just select, for example, 8 or more or 5 more applications. Here you will see how many this application you select, and just tap here to OK. Now we can see that all of these applications, they're here in our folder, inside of our folder. If you don't want to rename the folder, just tap here on the name and enter the new one. For example, let's use the apps. Tap here to OK on the home button, and now we can see that this folder renamed successfully. If you want to move this folder here on the screen, just hold it and then drag it by this way. We can also move the folders between the screens, and we can create the new screens with the folders. That's also not a problem. And if you want to remove the application from the folder, you can make it by this way. Just hold it and drag it here to the home screen if you want to stay with this app on the home screen. But if you want to remove it from the home screen and from the folder, hold it and tap here to remove icon. But don't worry, you will stay with this application here in the apps menu. Also, if you want, you can make it by the search bar. Just click here to this plus, and after that just unselect all of this application, for example, in one click, tap to OK, and now we can see these applications again on our home screen. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.